On Snapchat. Hey, we are back at it again with this big old catfish. Come on, reel him in, reel him in.
Oh, he's coming for us.
Oh, he's coming. He's coming. Let's get him. Oh, where is he? I don't see it. Oh, is that him? Oh, woo, that thing's big. You want me to get him in?
No. Watch out.
Get him by the tail? I'll get him by the tail. Woo, we got him. This time he ain't come off.
Grab him. Go
By the
grab him.
tail?
Grab him in the gills.
In the gills? How am I supposed to do that?
This ain't him, I don't think. I got it.
Woo, that thing's slimy.
Okay, that's him.
Alright.
You have one eye? Right there, watch it, right here.
He only has one eye.
That's him.
This is him.
Alright, hold on. Stop video for a second.
Alright.
Put your phone down. It's your boy.
Hey.
Get him in there.
Yep. Okay. Look at this big old thing. Look at the tail. This is a 50-pound catfish. Thing's so slimy.
Alright, hold him. I need you to hold him.
Okay, I got him.
Tell my name and stuff like that, because it's my cat.
Okay. Look at the size comparison. Look at... Okay, this is my friend. Okay.
What's up, boys?
I always forget his name.
Colin.
Colin, right. Wait. I don't feel his little spikes.
Yeah, because they're old. He's old. There could be bigger ones in here. I got the hook.
Okay. You got the hook out?
It's got a piece of skin on it. Get it on video. Whatever.
Wait.
Get the gills again.
Get the gill.
Alright, we're going to put it in the bucket.
We're gonna put him in the bucket. Where's the bucket?
Right over there.
Do we need to hold him?
Head first. Put him. I'm gonna show your dad.
Okay.
Alright, come on. Pick it up.
Pick it up.
Oh my god.
Are you sure it's gonna fit in that bucket?
That's why we're gonna put him in head first. Oh, you hear that grunt? Oh god!
Oh
You just
god!
slapped the crap out of me and that hurt.
Oh!